Her name is Eloisa. Yes. So, tanggap ka na. Siya na pinakamaganda. Okay na? Okay na? Okay. Ayan. So, ilang taon ka na? Anong ginagawa mo? Did you finish your studies? Ano ba ba? Go.
I'm 18 and
Oh my God.
currently enrolled sa WTC as aeronautical engineer.
Oh, wow. O, diba? O, diba yung tuition? Tulungan naman ako na tuition, no? Ayun lang, So, my sister.
Why?
Yes. Graduated. Why? Aeronautical
Yes.
engineering.
Gusto ko kasi maging piloto.
Oh, she want to be a pilot.
Why you wanna be a pilot?
It's nice to be in the sky.
Why is it nice to be in the sky?
Uy, grabe yung mga tanong yan. I think it's nice that we have a girl, well, a woman. A woman?
18 years old.
She's a woman now that wants to have this
Wants to be in the sky.
in the sky. No, because pilots are predominantly male. It's like a male-dominated profession.
Breaking boundaries.
Yeah, she wants to break the glass ceiling. But alam mo yun, like sobrang, alam mo kaya mo yan Kaya mo na siguro tustusan ng pag-aaral.
The pressure.